Hi, dear students. Welcome back to another session of Human Resource Management, where we are reached to discuss the meaning and definition of performance appraisal under session 51. So, this is how that the performance is all about. While we discussed the introductory part in the previous session, particularly in the section 50. Now, in this session of 51, that we are going to discuss the meaning and definitions of performance appraisal. Let me move on to the my PPT slide that what is all about meaning and definitions, particularly regarding to the performance appraisal. Dear students, in my session 50 that I discussed about the many issues that it may be the introductory part of that performance appraisal, where I discussed the organizational objectives and then day-to-day performance and then progressional performance that we all discussed there in the introductory part of that performance appraisal. Here we reached to discuss and to know what it is all about the performance appraisal, and then what about the definitions of the performance appraisal made by many thinkers. Let us discuss one by one. Before I am going to discuss the definition of performance appraisal, let me discuss on the meaning, knowing the what is the meaning of performance appraisal, and then later on that we are going to discuss the definition of performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is the process of evaluation of an employee at higher level. In order to know whether the selection of an employee is right or wrong, performance appraisal is resorted to. Promotion, transfer, salary, etc. are to be considered to some of the matters that are dependent upon the evaluation of the performance of an employee. Here the thing is that when we are going to move ourselves, that we discussed about the many aspects that what it is all about the performance appraisal. It is just a process to evaluate the employee, to push him to lower cadre assess to the higher cadre assess. See, if you are going to promote and then transfer, or to fix the scientific salary, or to increase salary, in turn we have to be think that the performance appraisal must be evaluate, which is nothing but a process. That is nothing, or what actually I told in the previous session, and also now I am telling in this session. Performance appraisal of an employee reveals as to how efficiently the subordinate is performing his job, and also to know his aptitudes, that which will always include the qualities necessary for performing the job assigned to him. The qualities of employees that are appraised through performance appraisal are ability to do work, spirit of cooperation, managerial ability, and then self confidence, and also initiatives. But the more thing is that we have also include the intelligence part as well. See, the appraisal of that employee should reveal whether he is efficient, to considering the fact of his subordinate performing his job, and also whether it is aptitude capacity or numerical capacity he is having. The qualitative qualities and the necessary aspects should be considered. The qualities of the employees that are appraised through the performance appraisal are ability to do the work of spirit of cooperation, and then managerial ability, where the self-confidence and then initiative should be considered, including the intelligence of that employee. This is what the meaning of the employees altogether we will consider. And also the performance in my next second in my PPT slide, which is also mentioning the meaning of the performance appraisal. Here the things could be that we have to be seriously consider that performance appraisal is regarded as a most significant tool for the success of any concern. The main objective of performance appraisal is to improve the efficiency of a concern by mobilizing the best efforts from that individual or that employee. Here, the most of the cases that what we think of in this regard is performance appraisal is a formal system which will evaluate the quality of the worker performance. The appraisal measures skills and accomplishment with reasonable accuracy and uniformity, where in the meaning of that what we consider. It provides a way to help identify areas for performance enhancement and to help promote professional growth. It should not, however, to be considered that supervisor only communication tool. Open lines of communication throughout the year help to make effective working relationships. Performance appraisal is the process which assessing the performance and progress of an employee on a given job for his future development, and it mainly consists of formal procedures. Each employee is entitled to thoughtful and careful appraisal. The success of the process depends on the supervisor's willingness to complete a constructive and objective appraisal and on the employee's willingness that to be respond constructive suggestion and are also the supervisor reach future to reach the future goals. There, the performance in an organizational context, well, we are going to talk, which will always determining the job criteria, selecting those employees who will able to perform the required organizational task. Motivating and developing them for improving their job skills and preparing them in the higher responsibilities are also to be considered. Hence, the process of performance appraisal involves obtaining and then recording the analyzing information about the relative worth of an employee. The focus of performance appraisal is much on the measuring and improving of the actual performance as an future potential of the employee. This activity is performed annually by a supervisor for his or her subordinate, designed to help employees where which should be understand their roles, objectives, expectations, and performance success. Performance appraisal can be used for departmental as well as administrative purposes. It is a powerful tool to calibrate and also refine, which will enhance the capability and then capacity of the employee to work and also to give more good performance in the organization. The developmental purpose of the performance appraisal provides feedback for identifying the employees where strengths and weaknesses of that performance will be considered according to the planning and then training of the development which will be given to the employee, particularly from that organization, which will always the need of these future, which will generate the growth and then development of that employee and also employer. The human resource activities such as compensation and also the programs, recruitment, where it should be considering under many human resource planning should have to be worked out. But the thing is, what actually we thought here that is where we are going to considering the meaning of performance appraisal. Appraisal is the process what I said in the earlier. At the same time, it will always reveals the efficiently that how the subordinate is going to performing his job and also to know his aptitude, which are other qualities necessary for performing the job assigned to him. The qualities of the employees that are appraised through the performance appraisal are ability to do the work and then spirit of the cooperation, where managerial ability, self-confidence, initiatives, and then intelligence, etc., are all together that we consider the while we are discussing the meaning of the what do you call the performance appraisal. Performance appraisal is regarded as the most significant tool for the success of any concern for that matter. The objective of performance appraisal is to improve the what do you call the efficiency of a concern by mobilizing the best possible effort from the individual employed in it concern. So these are all the meaning of the performance appraisal. Let's move on to the definitions of performance appraisal. Let's discuss what it is all about. There are many thinkers who opines that performance appraisal is this, that, and then scientific statement made by Edwin B. Flifo and then Alford and then BT, as well as Scott Clothier and then Springel. Let's see what it is all about. The definitions of performance appraisal are concerned. According to Edwin B. Flifo, what he said or what is this, what do you call the statement is all about is, he meant that performance appraisal is a systematic, periodic, and so far as humanly possible, the impartial rating of an employee's excellence in matters pertaining to his present and his future potentialities for a better job. This is what things could be referred by Edwin B. Flippo. See, there should be a impartial analysis or impartial performance appraisal can be evaluate from that human resource manager, because if there is a partiality or bifurcation as done by the human resource manager, I don't think so that the performance appraisal may improve. So I want to tell my experience here where I am working, that would you believe it or not, I did everything particularly in regarding to the work, but there is a what do you call on the basis of caste, on the basis of the what do you call identification, many people wants to destroy my capacity, my profile, but they made it me deputation to the other department in a such a way that the people are doing in a what do you call it is not under systematic, it is not under humanly possible, because if you are having human beings, then those people won't do all this nonsense development, those people not to do the impartial rating, because impartial rating is one where that employees get the excellence, and then where that employee is doing a better work, where that employee is giving his excellent work in the according to the workforce, then there should be a impartial rating should be need, not the partial one. So in my case, the in the previous college they made it out, I don't bother about that one, because quality remains quality, gold is always gold, and then diamond is always diamond, like that I come up with in my ideology. I started my work in a new college, in a new generosity, what actually the in the performance appraisal particularly Edwin B. Flippo said, which will always relates to me. So this is how things could be the performance appraisal in a systematic and then periodic humanly possible should be considered with the excellence of the employees for that matter. Particularly, this is what the statement made by Edwin B. Flippo. Moving on to the another statement made by Alford and then BT, according to them, it is the evaluation or appraisal of the relative worth to the companies of a man's services on his jobs. So this is what things could be. There is a performance appraisal is the process, and it is the evaluation where a relative worth to that company's man services on his jobs. See, depending upon that job, whether that job is designed properly, whether that job satisfaction is getting by that human being or that candidate or that employee, and then whether that worthful to that company, which is always relative to the or the evaluation of the appraisal. So this is how things could be there in the mindset of Alford and then BT that he mentioned in his statement, particularly in regarding to the performance appraisal. Let's move on to the another definition of performance appraisal made by Scott Clothier and Springel. According to Scott Clothier and Springel, according to them, performance appraisal is a process evaluating an employee's performance of a job in terms of its requirements. See, performance appraisal must be made out on the basis of the evaluating the employee performance, which will in turn result the job where the requirement should be happening of that process of that performance, particularly from that employee. So if these things not done partially, then it could be nonetheless you will be a serious worried person, particularly in the organization. So by making a performance appraisal or evaluating that employee, there should be impartial, there should not be a bifurcation should be made out while doing the performance appraisal. So these are all the performance appraisal that I want to make it out from the point of view of what do you call the things. So here the main issue that I discussed that there are three definitions that I covered in this session. That is one from Edwin B. Filippo, and then Alford, and then BT, and then Scott, Clothier, and Springel. There are three definitions that I quoted. While we are going to consider the furthermore the meaning of performance appraisal, as I said, it is the process of the evaluation of an employee which will have to be get in the higher level. In order to know whether the selection of an employee is right or wrong, performance appraisal is resorted to. Promotion, transfer, salary increase, etc. are some of the matters that are dependent upon the evaluation of the performance of an employee. See here, performance appraisal an employee reveals as to how efficiently the subordinate is performing his job, and also to know his aptitudes and other qualities necessary for performing the job assigned to him. The qualities of the employees that are appraised through the performance, what do you call, our ability to do the work, spirit of the cooperation. See, the managerial ability of this self-confidence initiatives and also intelligence are to be considered, and their performance appraisal is regarded as the most significant tool for the success of any concern. If the performance appraisal is going to be considered very much seriously, at the same time, if that performance appraisal evaluating done according to in a scientific manner, according to having a tools, a good tool, or according to in a healthy manner, or you may consider it as a what you call impartial, or not to make any bifurcation, then there is a good objective come out from that organization by making a balance between the employee and then employer. See, the objective of the performance appraisal is only thing is that there is an improvement of efficiency of that employee, because efficiency of that employee will always results the what do you call the improve the production level of that organization, and also which will result the effectiveness of that organization may increase in the market, either it may be in the domestic market or it may be in the world market. So this is what the meaning and then definition of the performance appraisal. And also the organization, those who are set up under public sector and then private sector, are also gone under these types of performance appraisal by making an evaluation impartially. Because in my case, where I worked previously, there is altogether partiality has been made out on the basis of casteism, on the basis of the work. Though I made it a good work, don't what do you call take it as a in a positive manner. The many people, those who are crookeds to analyze a person, they will do such things not to necessary to make a good analysis over there, because many things I made in my previous college, they altogether vanished those things. These things is knowing by the fact that our department know very well in my case what is happening, not only to the in the previous department where I worked, but also this is the first ever that the YouTube, how do you call the video session I made out before introducing of this e-content development. I made out, but no one is encouraged. Rather than encouraging, I received many complaints altogether. So with this, dear students, I will stop here. In the last slide, I hope you understand the meaning and then definition of human resource, sorry, performance appraisal, which we discussed, and then human resource management. Don't bother about the other issues, dear students. This is what the things could be. I given my example relating to the performance appraisal. So in my last slide, obviously, which will give the source of reference, where I followed to collect the many references to dear students. Please follow these types of sources as a reference to study purpose, to get more knowledge, and also to get what you call the more not only knowledge but also from the point of view of examination. With this, I will stop here. Let me come up with a new topic in the new session. Bye for now. Thank you very much, my dear students. This is what things could be all about the meaning and then definition of performance appraisal. With this, bye for now.